Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Bitget Wallet. It is a multi-chain crypto wallet that is built for the decentralized world, offering a secure and simple and highly functional way to manage your assets. So, should you use Bitget Wallet in 2025? Let's just find out in today's video. So, Bitget Wallet, as I said earlier, is a non custodial wallet designed to give you complete control over your digital assets. It supports multiple blockchains like Ethereum, BNB chain, and other, which is perfect for managing cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and even interacting with the Web3 dApps. Now, here are some of the features of the Bitget wallet that you need to consider. It provides you the seamlessly management of the assets across multiple blockchains. You can connect your Bitget wallet to your favorite decentralized applications, and you can even explore DeFi opportunities. With its advanced encryption and private key control, your assets are in safe hands. You can easily view, store, and trade your NFTs over here, and you can exchange assets across blockchains without any hassle. Now let's talk about the benefits and limitations of Bitget Wallet. So if I talk about the pros, it has the user-friendly interface, which is good for the beginners and the experienced ones. It provides you the broad multi-chain and NFT support. It is reliable for security and gives you full control of your private keys. You can get cross-chain swaps, which is very convenient with Bitget Wallet. Now let's talk about some of the cons of it. It is focused mainly on the crypto and NFT management, which is limited advanced DeFi tools. The transaction fees depends on the blockchain used, which might be a drawback for high frequency users. So in 2025, Bitget Wallet is a solid choice if you are looking for a multi-chain wallet with NFT supports and easily Web3 access. While it may not cater to advanced DeFi experts, or it's perfect for most crypto enthusiasts. Now, if you want to get started with Bitget Wallet, you can check out that detailed video on my channel, and I will also try to put that down in the description. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.